Hello everybody, welcome back to our virology series. We have covered the basic of virology, viral structure, classification, and their life cycles. And if you want to watch those videos, so I'm attaching the link in the description below. So today we are diving into the viral pathogenesis, and it's the process by which the viruses cause diseases. So let's get into the lecture. So the viral pathogenesis refers to the mechanism by which viruses cause disease in their host cells. And this severity and types of the disease depend on various factors, including the virus properties and the host immune responses. Pathogenesis also involves these several steps. So first step is the entry, where virus can enter the body through the various routes, including the respiratory tract, gastrointestinal tract, skin, and mucous membranes. And the mode of entry often determines the initial site of the infection and the early symptoms as well. For example, if the influenza virus enters through the respiratory tract, leading to the symptoms like coughing, fever. On contrary, if we talk about norovirus, which enters through the gastrointestinal tract, causing the vomiting or diarrhea. So once the virus is inside, so it can spread to the other tissues and organs, and this spread can occur through the bloodstream, nervous system, or local tissue invasion. For instance, the hepatitis virus specifically targets the liver cells, while the rabies virus spreads through the nervous system. So then the virus causes disease by damaging the host cell. So this damage can result from viral direct replication, which destroys the cell, and it leads to the cell lysis or the death. For example, the polio virus caused a direct lysis of the motor neurons, and it results in the paralysis. Then we have the indirect damage. It occurs when the immune response, such as inflammation or the tissue damages, occurs. So in chronic hepatitis B infections, it can lead to the liver cirrhosis and cancer due to long-term immune-mediated damage. So the immune response plays a dual role in the viral infections. While it's essential for controlling and eliminating viruses, it can also contribute to the diseases through immunopathology. And immunopathology refers to the tissue damage caused by the immune system's attempt to fight the virus. So for instance, in dengue fever, the immune responses can cause severe inflammatory reactions, and these reactions can lead to the vascular leakage and shock. And if you talk about COVID-19, it overactivates the immune response known as the cytokine storm, and it can result in the severe lung damage or respiratory failure also. So viruses have evolved to evade the host immune system, and these includes the antigenic variation, inhibition of the antigen presentation, and suppression of the immune cell function. For example, if you talk about HIV, so it mutates rapidly, allowing it to escape the detection by the immune system. And if you talk about influenza virus, it can change their surface proteins through antigenic shifts and rifts, making it challenging for the immune system to recognize and combat them effectively. So if I concise it all, so the viral pathogenesis involves the entry, spreads, and cellular damages for immune responses. So understanding all of these mechanisms can help us to develop antiviral drugs and vaccines to prevent and treat the viral disease. So that's all for today's class. Thanks for joining. See you next time.